Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's Tuesday and guys, pumpkin spice lattes are back today. So guess who's going to get one right now? It's me. So I'm gonna go get a pumpkin spice latte. I'm so excited. I woke up in the best mood because of it. I know this is so basic of me, but you know what? It's okay because fall is approaching and it's gonna be freaking fantastic. So let's go and get our PSL. Guys, I got the goods. Absolutely amazing. Like, this is starting off as a really good day. So now I just have to go to work, and then tomorrow I will be vlogging, I think most of the day. So I'm very excited about that. So I'll see you guys maybe later this afternoon when I get off, or definitely tomorrow. Guys, we got ice cream. I got mint chip, and Emily got cookies and cream.
It's really good. It's vegan.
So it's all like plant-based and vegan and stuff, so it's so pumped. It's delish. Amazing. Hey guys, so it is now Saturday. I'm just about to head out to work, but I've just been doing some packing this morning, straightening up the house. I'm going to Louisiana tomorrow, so I'm so pumped. I get to see Destiny, I get to see my family, my dog. So excited. Just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So I'm about to head to work real quick, but I will vlog as soon as I get off, and yeah, I'll take you guys with me to Louisiana, so it should be fun. Mistake. We went to the wrong place.
We went to the wrong place.
And now we're at the right place. Now we're getting marked.
Take my money.
What's new, right?
Take
What's
my
new?
money.
Hi guys, I'm back in Louisiana. I just got home like 2 hours ago. I laid out by the pool and then I just showered and changed into this. I'm going out with Destiny. We're going to get our fave, as always, La Coretta. Absolute my fave. So I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm in the gym, so I get a full mirror shot. So I have on this tube top from, I think, Topshop. These jeans are from Urban. These jeans are from Urban. Got my Air Force Ones, shoulder bag. Might be able to see better right here. So this is the fit. And then I've just got on this gold necklace and these really big hoops. So, about to go pick up Destiny right now. Then we're gonna go and eat. I'm so pumped. So I'm at Destiny's and I'm 5 minutes late and she's not here. This is so typical. You don't even know. My hair reminds me of Aquamarine right now. I love that movie so much. It's so freaking good. It's one of my faves. She said she'd be here in like 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait for her. Jam out some tunes. Check the gram. Also, my E fell off and I don't know where it went. So depressing. Oh! Look who decided to show up. This hoe. What do you mean? Oh, I was trying to take a video.
I order all over my
You can put this. Guys, we made it. We're going to get food.
Brooke got a marg.
What's new?
Wait, how do I do this? Oh, I'm doing it.
It's amazing.
She's so beautiful. Got her. TAB, TAB, TAB.
What?
Huh?
What did you?
You'll see when you look back.
Guys, we got queso and guac. I'm surprised Destiny didn't bring her own guac.
Don't expose me like that.
Hashtag exposed.
Alright,
Hashtag canceled. Guys, we got.
Yes.
Yes, queen. Yes. Okay, we got fajitas.
Thank you. Always thank you.
Always. Always. Always.
I'm gonna test this out on Brooke, who is an actual model. Okay. I saw this thing on TikTok that said, you smile, raise your eyebrows, then stop smiling, and that's your model face.
I can't help.
Okay. Let me do it again. Okay. You smile, raise your eyebrows, and then stop smiling. It looks good. Mine was like this. Wait. You asked him what an anti-masker.
Oh my god.
Charlie D'Amelio is quacking. Oh, look at the cute little bat. They're ready for Halloween. We're going to Target.
We're going to Target. We're literally about to get ran over by a car. So I'm gonna go this way. We're about to get run over by a truck, but we're going to Target. And it's about to be lit. The sunset is absolutely stunning tonight. She's a stunning queen sunset. An actual stunning queen sunset. She's a stunning queen. The fajitas were absolutely amazing. The margs were great. How is your virgin marg? Was it everything you hoped and dreamed it would be? This is the prettiest sunset. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited.
Look at it right here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually beautiful. So we're going to Target. Alright, bye Des. Alright, bye. We went and got Destiny's Starbucks, which is the sweetest thing in the world. She got coffee at freaking 9 o'clock at night. You're gonna be up all night.
Well, my husband's not home, so it's okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you, bye. Okay, so I just got home. Sorry, the lighting's so terrible right now, but I just got home and I'm gonna go take my makeup off, get ready for bed, and tomorrow have a big full day going to the mall. So, see you guys then. Guys, the sunset is so pretty. Do you see this? The sunset is phenomenal right now. I'm so happy. Guys, we just got coffee. I had a hazelnut latte. Why is it so dark? Hold on, let me switch this right now.
Probably this umbrella.
Fabulous. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. I just got done getting my hair done. It's so nice. I also got it cut. I cut it for the first time in 6 years, so it's looking very nice and healthy today. I'm very excited. Just about to go to a few more appointments right now. I had so fun with my cousin Morgan. I hope to see her very soon. Love her to death. We had the best coffee ever this morning. It was so good at Courtyard Cafe. So if you guys have never been there, it's in Hammond and it's bomb. Also, going out to dinner tonight with Logan and a few of his friends. So that's what we're gonna go do. So I have to get going. So I will see you guys in a bit. Spirit Halloween is open. Are you kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me? Happy freaking September 1st. So we're at the lakefront. I finally got to come. It's so pretty. We're meeting up with my cousin Logan and some of his friends, and we're going out to eat at the lake house. I've never been there, but I've heard it's good. Only good things. Jacob?
What up? What's going on the vlog?
What's going on the vlog? I'm trying to get Logan turned.
Y'all get Brooke to 1,000 subs. Oh.
That'd be lit. Oh, that'd be lit. Lit.
And the other
Hey guys, I'm now back home from Louisiana. I've been home for about 2 days now, but I realized I never ended off the vlog. I wanted to show you guys real quick what I got when I was back home. So, let's see. Where can I put you guys? So I went to All Darling, which you guys would have seen, but I want to show you guys what I got from there. So I got this sweatshirt. It's so cute. I got this sweatshirt. It's cropped and it's white and it says 7 Wonders on it in green. I cannot wait to wear this when it starts to get a little cooler. It's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. I really want to buy everything in All Darling. Like, it's bad. I wanted literally everything. And then I went to PacSun, so let me go grab what I got there. Okay, so I went to PacSun and I got this Hawaii shirt. I love this color and I don't know, I thought it was so cute. It was from the Brandy section. Always want everything from the Brandy section. I swear the PacSun back home is always so awesome. Like, they always have the best stuff. They have a giant Brandy Melville section. The one over here really doesn't have that and it's a little depressing, to be honest. But I just thought this was so cute. And then I got this shirt. It's inside out because I just wore this last night. But I'm obsessed with this color blue right now. It's so pretty. And it just says Newport Beach, California. And it's just a really cute t-shirt. And the back also says Newport Beach, California. I thought it was so cute with like the little sailboats on it. Absolutely adorable. So that's what I got when I went back home. But I just wanted to go ahead, end off the vlog, tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun back home visiting my friends and my family. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.